How to open YouTube Studio in Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser and search for YouTube Studio. Once you do that, you want to click and hold the first result till you get this pop-up window right here, from which you have three options. You can either open YouTube Studio in new tab in this group, or you can open it in new tab outside this group, or you can open it in new incognito tab. So go ahead and choose whatever option suits you the best. And depending on which option you choose, you will see that new tab has been opened, so go there. And as you can see, YouTube Studio has just been opened in Chrome. Now, you will get this if you are already signed in, but if you are not signed in, it might ask you to sign in. As well as if you are using the incognito tab, it might also ask you to enter your login details. But eventually you will get to this page right here, which is the YouTube Studio. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can open and use the YouTube Studio in the Chrome browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.